Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here at Paul's at Stag Classics, actually in Alton, Hampshire. So just going to have a look round. I've had my car in here for a week or so, just a few bits and pieces needed fixing. You can see lovely Triumph Stags here behind me in the car park. I'm just going to go in now and see what he's been doing to my car. It needed a bit of work, I didn't have the time. And here we have a really good collection of Triumph Stags, as you can see. This one in, I think that's Mimosa Yellow. There's mine. Which we'll have a look at in a little while, I'm sure. One or two others here parked up for various bits of work, I'm sure. Love the white wall tyres on these Stags, looks really amazing, I think. Love that look. There we are. A couple of others parked up. Here's a nice one, wire wheels with the white wall tyres. Mark 1 by the looks of it, with the grey badge on there. Beautiful colour, like a royal blue or navy blue on a K-reg, so it's quite an early one. And looking lovely in the July sunshine, manual with overdrive, as you can see, and looking really smart, beautiful, really beautiful. Yeah, so very much a Stag fan, and if you're into some naturally strong bitter, there is an Exmoor Stag. I've had a pint of that. It's quite nice actually, 5.2%, just so you know. I had some of that last year on holiday whilst we were on holiday in Devon and Cornwall. So Exmoor ale, it's called Stag, so it's definitely on brand. So this is Martin from Guernsey, Guernsey car. He's got several cars, including a mini moke and various other cars as well. And you can tell it's Guernsey. It has the 6682 number plate on it. So he's had some work here at Paul's garage and just going off for a test drive to see how it goes, and away he goes off down the road to see what happens. Meanwhile, behind me you can probably hear there is a noise of a green stag that we may have seen a little bit earlier. Swizz around, and there he is. Paul's just driving that, just so we can have a good look at it in the daylight, hopefully. If not, we'll do it in the garage, but we get the idea. Beautiful car. And this is all kind of work that Paul does here. He's a stag man. All he does is Triumph Stags. As you can see, there's one up there on the ramp, SOC 767. Mine's coming in a minute. Just going to show us what he's done underneath. And here it is for us to have a look at, with a very nice engine. Awesome. Okay, so Paul's here just going to talk us through this car. Came from Wales, did you say, Paul?
Yep, got it as a shell. Really good condition. Had it fabricated on the front end, couple of door skins.
Yeah. Underbody
painted in a modern Jaguar.
Yeah.
With
looks
nice.
Tan
leather.
Yeah, superb.
Just waiting for the headrest because they've got embroidered.
Okay, embroidered logo. We've got wire wheels on the back there, looking good.
Manual overdrive.
Manual overdrive, very good. So really tidy car, and beautifully done. As you can see, there's a variety of engines and things on the bench here being put back together. So Paul's a very good engine man as well. So really good quality work, and beautiful to see these cars in this environment. All it is Stags. It's like being a kid in a sweet shop, I think, really. It's got the upgraded header tank there, so the water, so that's feeding into your pump, so there's no fear of running out of water there. And fantastic to see the Arry The Stag badge of honour being displayed, really good. Let's have a quick look inside if I can. Again, we know that there's some stuff still to come for this. Let me just flip that little bit of paperwork over so we're not breaking any rules on GDPR and all that. So interior, well, take it from me, the smell in here is just stunning. Oh, just that leather, it's just gorgeous. Obviously the dashboard's all been wrapped up in a beautiful leather. The steering wheel there, look at that, with the steering boss on there. Obviously the overdrive manual with the 4 forward gears and 1 reverse. Interior beautifully finished in this lovely leather, and as I say, take it from me, the smell in here is just to die for. Really, really nice. So this I guess is going out fairly soon, and what a great job Paul has done on it. Fantastic. So there we go, brand new Stag almost. How about that? Fantastic job. It's really good, Paul. Very nice.
Spare engine there, I'm doing for winter. I've done that one.
Yeah.
I've got another one over there spare.
Yeah.
I've got another one I can build.
Yeah.
Just put on stock.
So you get regular requests for them, I guess, yeah?
Yeah, so
Okay, so just been out for a trial drive around the corner, and yeah, the UES is driving really, really sweet. So completely different car at the back. Looks like this car's heading home to Guernsey. So safe trip and safe travels. And something for you just to say, a gift from Arry The Stag. We've got some
thanks,
badges of honour.
Oh, wow.
And a pair of sunnies. How about that?
Appreciate that.
Nice to meet
Have a
you.
good day.
Yeah, enjoy the trip back. Arry The Stag. So that's right. Sounds really smooth as well. Really lovely car. Okie dokie, will do. So Martin making a move. See ya. Off back to Guernsey. Apparently there's 6 or 7 other cars there too, so that's good. Right, Paul, let's get this one in to the garage and have a look, see what's been going on underneath. Yep. Let's have a look, see what we've been doing. Oh.
clearance flush, oil and filter, fuel filter, tap, leads,
Yeah,
plugs,
all done.
everything done. Brake fluid flush.
Well done. Thank you very much. We've got some antifreeze in there as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, that's crucial, isn't it? Getting the right mix of antifreeze. Good to get it up in the air. Going up, as they said. And we'll have a look inside in a minute. Just early indications, just driving around the country roads now, just completely different. The front was done a little while ago, 2, 3, 4 years ago. The rear I know has been needing doing. I haven't got the equipment at home to do it currently, so decided to ask Paul to see what he could do for us. So here we are. He's going to give us a walk around underneath, show us what's been going on. Meanwhile, you can see a couple of other cars here at Paul's, all very organised. A great place to be if you love stags, which we all do, don't we? So really nice experience. So here we go. UES is going up in the sky. Quite warm underneath. Got to let him talk us through what he's done and go from there. I can already see some nice shiny stuff. Right, so here we are under UES 591S. Let's see what's been happening. So, okay.
So what I've done is
Yeah,
I've taken off the rear trailing arms, and now these have been repowder coated.
They look
with
nice,
new
don't they?
poly bushes.
poly bushes underneath. These were knackered, weren't they, before?
Absolutely.
Absolute shot, hadn't been done in 50 years, probably. Yeah.
Then we put a new reconditioned differential.
Yeah. And that was
Guaranteed not to whine.
no, thank you very much. Or leak either, all over me drive. And that's a 3.7 to 1 ratio, is that right?
It is.
For this car, yeah.
And then we fitted 2 new subframe bushes on the back because they were completely on the floor.
Yeah,
The
okay.
washer.
So, all right, so that's where it holds the body tub either side. Little, well, they're quite big chunky ones, aren't they, that go into the
shock
floor?
robbers, I put some on because they were cracked.
Yeah, okay. So
And I
it's
set the rear brakes and handbrake, and
thank you, yeah.
not forgetting to fill the oil up with
Diff oil, that's right, yeah, okay, so that's got oil in it now.
and I put a dry
Yeah.
shaft on that side because the other one was
Yeah.
as you saw in the video.
Yeah, it was, I've still got that, so I'll show them, yeah. Otherwise, it's, well,
that's it.
certainly feels a lot better when I'm driving it around the block. Very enjoyable, yeah, so thanks, Paul, for doing such a great job. Really, really good.
Thank you very much.
Now, later on in the morning, Paul showed me this beautiful Mark II Triumph Stag that he's been working on over recent months. You can see under the bonnet how pristine and immaculate it is with that cooler, that header tank fitted on top of the turret there, and the interior, which we'll look again later, is absolutely stunning, as I'm sure you've just seen. The chrome on it is delightful, and of course into the boot space it's all been fitted out with decent carpet and the courtesy light there as well. It's M registered, so it's an early 70s one, and as you can see here in the cabin itself, it's even had the steering wheel upgraded and padded, and it looks really, really smart. I love the maplewood almost effect of the wood veneer, so that looks really smart. And of course Paul put the crowning glory of the steering wheel hub on the car with the Stag emblem, which is brilliant. And what a car, look at that, isn't that absolutely delightful? So that's going off fairly shortly to a customer. Out on the road, you can see here it test drove really well, keeping up with modern day traffic, no bumps, squeaks, noises or rattles, and drives like an absolute dream. And I promised you just another look at the interior, and those are USA spec Triumph Stag seats, and you can see the emblem there, the Stag emblem actually on top of the headrest, with all the quilting on the tonneau cover as well, looking really smart in that cream leather interior. The smell of it, as before, was just to die for, absolutely stunning. And back out on the road again, you can just see the quality of the work now with the hard top on, and it looks like a modern, just off the production line car. It really does. What a fantastic result that is. All right, guys, well, I hope you will enjoy that little wander around Paul's at Stag Classics, and highly recommend him for lots and lots of stag work, as you can probably hear in the background. There's another one just gone in. So that's it for this week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now, guys. Bye.